This our ingredients are ready. I have taken 2 peeled and boiled potatoes, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sliced onion, half cup of cheese, carrot 3/4 cup, julienne cabbage layer on the tacos, 1 cup of tomato, turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili powder and garam masala. Salt as per taste, 2 tablespoons of oil, continental herbs, chili flakes and oregano. We proceed to the method. So here I have taken all-purpose flour in the bowl. After that I am adding salt and 1 tablespoon of oil and mix properly till oil and salt doesn't dissolve in the flour, and put water as per requirement. Soft dough we have to prepare like a roti. Day-to-day life we make at home. So here you can see how softness is there in the dough. This way you have to make the dough, and then you have to put 1 tablespoon of oil and knead properly. So soft it has become. So now we have to keep for resting 10 minutes, and then we will be making the stuffing. So let's start. So now first we have to take oil in the pan and we have to add onions till onion doesn't become transparent. We have to cook. After that we have to add the tomato. I'm adding tomato. So we have to cook, and after that salt for the taste, and as per taste you can put. And after that we will add carrot for cooking because carrot takes a little time. 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of garam masala. So here we have to mix properly all the spices. Now I am going to add mashed potato and mix properly. So all spices and onion and tomato mixes into the potato. So here our stuffing is ready. So and also dough is ready. So we have to take on the board, chopping board or any board you can take. So we have to cut it into small piece for the medium size roti. We don't have to make big roti. Make the thin roti. So our roti is ready, and this roti we have to take 1 pan and cook only 10%, not more, because after that we have to fill the stuffing and we have to cook 1 more time in the oil. So here our roti is ready, you can see. So now we have to first process is to spread the sauce like the pizza you had saw. So you can spread any of sauces you like. So after that we have to put julienne cabbage. We have to add 1 layer of julienne cabbage and then stuffing, and after that we have to add spices, sprinkle spices of chili flakes and oregano, and then we have to add lots of cheese. You want as much you can add. So after that we have to fold half. We have to fold into half, and see our tacos are ready. So finishing touch I had given. So all process we have to do same. Further we have to do same process with all the rotis. So now it's time for cooking the tacos. So here I had taken pan and I had spread oil on the pan, and we have to cook tacos for only 2 to 3 minutes till the layer doesn't become crispy. So here I have put oil in the middle of the pan, so it spread equally. We have to spread equally, and then we have to flip it up, and 1 more time we have to put the oil. So here our tacos are ready. So we have to plate very nicely. You can see how nicely I had plated dish. So try at your home this quarantine, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Chirag's Kitchen. So please press the bell icon to enjoy like this my same delicious recipe. Thank you.